housing supply shortage and affordability crisis is finally being heard at the legislation level. Happy Ground Hog Day. It's Friday, February 2nd. 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is your weekly Maryland Market Minute. Word is that a package of housing legislation will be introduced in the 2024 legislative session, focus on several aspects of the housing pipeline. 1, reforming the permitting process to reduce delays. 2, reducing litigation over new development. 3, better reporting on local housing needs. And 4, preserving and expanding housing programs. With the estimated shortage of 150,000 housing units in Maryland, will there be a solution to meet the actual housing needs? I'll be following this topic, so stay tuned for future updates. 705 homes are coming soon, almost a 2% increase over last week. 1,220 homes hit the market, a 4.59% increase this week. 534 homes went under contract, a 5.49% decline from last report. 739 moved to pending, a 6.23% increase from the prior week. 902 sold at 99.7% list-to-sold ratio in 20 days. The highest priced home to sell was in Bethesda's Bradley Hills Grove for $9,250,000. There are 2,337 rentals available, priced at $2,375 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, February 2nd, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. And I will see you next week. Take care.